Although Honda did not originate the minivan, it quickly perfected the design with the Odyssey. Now in its third decade of manufacturing, the Odyssey's reputation for offering secure transportation for up to 8 passengers and their belongings is firmly established. An established but unimpressive V6 engine and 10-speed automatic transmission provide consistent performance with efficiency comparable to that of its class. The ride and handling, which are notable for a minivan, inspire confidence and convey a sense of robust design and construction quality. Updated wheel designs are available for all trim levels, including 19-inch wheels for the highest-end Elite model. 2 more hues, solar silver metallic and smoke blue pearl, complete the exterior cosmetic modifications. Advancements in technology include a new standard 7-inch digital instrument display, a 9-inch infotainment touchscreen, and a bigger 12.8-inch screen specifically designed for rear passenger entertainment. The 2025 Honda Odyssey has a base price of $43.315 and can go up to $52.275, contingent upon the specific model and available options. The 2025 Odyssey is equipped with Honda's 3.5-liter V6 engine, which generates 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. Despite the modest weight of a 4,500-pound carrier, Honda engineers meticulously adjusted the 10-speed automatic transmission to deliver optimal reflexes. The outcome is a highly economical and refined vehicle that has exceptional driving capabilities, surpassing those of a typical minivan. Consequently, it continues to be the top-performing vehicle in its class. The most recent Odyssey we evaluated achieved a speed of 60 miles per hour in 6.7 seconds. While being a 2021 model, the powertrain will remain unaltered until 2025, resulting in comparably similar outcomes. The Odyssey offers many features that are essential for parental units. Maintaining a quiet cabin, the presence of an in-cabin camera and PA system enable parental control from the front seats, while the inclusion of home power outlets and HDMI interface facilitate the availability of entertainment alternatives for small children. The Odyssey boasts one of the most spacious second and third rows in its class. A long-awaited upgrade in the 2025 Odysseys is a standard 9.0-inch color infotainment touchscreen, formerly 8.0-inch, along with a purportedly quicker processor. Both wireless charging and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility are included as standard features.